Hi dear all students. In the last video we learned a lot of properties of water, concept of density and many more things. Now in today's video let's learn one more new concept which is on screen, anomalous behavior of water. What is meant by this behavior of water, student? A simple example I will give you, student. A area, a zone where temperature is very low, suppose. Due to the low temperature in that area, the water is converted into the next stage, that is a solid state, that is ice formation. So what about the density of that water? What about volume of that water? Usually when the temperature of a substance is lowered, when temperature is lower or less, its density increases as the volume decreases, but water is an exception to this rule. Student, the density of water is peculiar. I will give best example, student, to you. We may have to think that in a very less temperature zone, when water level is get converted into ice, suppose in that rivers, in that sea water, how is it possible to live for the aquatic animals, plants under the tree, under the water? How they survive if the formation of water is converted into ice due to the less in temperature? This is what we are going to learn, students, today, that is anomalous behavior of water. When water at normal temperature starts cooling, its density increases like that of most liquids. However, if its temperature falls below 4 degrees Celsius, its density starts decreasing. This means that the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees Celsius. If the temperature of water is lowered below 4 degrees Celsius, its density decreases and volume increases. It means that water expands when the temperature falls below 4 degrees Celsius. This is called as the anomalous behavior of water. But in river section, when the cool zone, when the temperature is decreased for 4 degrees Celsius, below to that, as shown in figure, only upper level is shown here, student, 1 degree Celsius or minus 1 degree Celsius. Means only first level of water is get converted into ice, and deeper into the downside zones, it again increased to 2 degree, 3 degree or 4 degrees Celsius, and 4 degrees Celsius it remain water only, not ice, where at the 0 degree Celsius temperature water is converted into ice. Due to this anomalous behavior of water, aquatic life is possible in a cool zone. So this is also a one of the property of water. Now on this page, student, you can see different diagrams are also there. In cold countries, how do aquatic animals remain alive even after the rivers or lakes freeze in the winter? So that is possible because of anomalous behavior of water. I hope you understand that concept. Now one more thing we learn here, student. Here two experiments they shown. Take 2 big glasses of water, add 4 to 5 spoonful of salt to the water in one glass and dissolve it completely, and one pot or one glass water is without salt. Now place a potato in the water in the second glass. The potato will sink. Take out the potato from that glass and put it in the salt water and observe the density of the water in that glass is greater due to the dissolved salt. The potato floats in that water because of the increase in density. Salt adding in a water increase the density of that water. That's why the B glass potato is floating. Why is it easier to swim in the sea than a well or lake? This is the reason. Students, sea water is a salty water, and our well or lake or pond water or river water that is not salty water. So it is more easy to swim inside the sea water. In the above activity, the salt dissolves in the water in the glass. That is, it disappears. What happens when it disappears like this? When the salt dissolves in water, its particles spread in water. Slowly they become smaller and smaller. Ultimately, they become so small that they cannot be seen. That is, they mix completely with water. That is what is called dissolving. So, student, a new concept is here. Solute, that means that substance that dissolves in water. Here is example salt. We can also take example sugar. Sugar also get dissolved completely in water. We are doing this experiment lot of times when we are making lemon juice. Solvent, the substance in which the solute dissolves, that is called example here water. Water is a solution in which all the substances or some substances or solute which are solute that can be dissolved. Solution, what we get when the solute dissolve in the solvent, that is called as a solution. Solvent, solute and solution, these three concept means here student. A better example we take as a lemon juice or a sugar water. When we add sugar inside the water, if we saw after few minutes that sugar or salt in water that get completely dissolved. So sugar or salt is here solute, water is here solvent, and mixture of the both we are getting is called as a solution. So here in today's video student, we learn our two properties of water, that is first is anomalous behavior of water and second is a concept of dissolving, that is which we called as a solute, solvent and solution. So dear student, I hope you understand our today's teaching. You learn new topics, new things from this. Write down today in your notebook, add these properties in your own language, anomalous behavior of water, what is mean that, what you understand from that, and write these three definitions of solute, solvent and solution which are on the screen now, and give one example of that. Hope so all are understanding my teaching way. Now till next video, you all will remain safe with your family members. Complete your work on time. Have a nice day student. Thank you. Bye bye.